cryptocurrency investor. Today I'm going to discuss the major altcoins, and this includes Litecoin, Ripple, and probably Dash as well. So Bitcoin nearly made an all-time high. I'm not too sure. I mean, my views are conflicted if we actually made an all-time high or not, because from a distance it looks like we made a double top. But either way, I think this is going to give rise to a mega altcoin season now. Now, for altcoin season to become a reality, the Bitcoin dominance needs to go down. And this is the BTC.D chart on TradingView, and this gives us Bitcoin dominance in a chart format. And last time in 2017, as well as in the mid of 2017, we saw a sharp decline in Bitcoin dominance. So here in July 2017, the Bitcoin dominance went from 80% to 52% in a single week, and this resulted in every single altcoin to pop on Poloniex. So if you are a crypto veteran, if you have fought those wars, you may remember that every Tom, Dick, and Harry coin was pumping on that exchange. And the same story happened in December 5th, I would say. Yeah, on 11th December 2017, where we saw another major drop in Bitcoin dominance. It went from 68 to 54, and then in consecutive weeks, for 5 straight weeks, it continued to fall till 36% Bitcoin dominance. So I'm expecting similar thing to happen now as well. So the MACD also is giving us a hint that a mega altcoin season is right around the corner, and it will start immediately when a lot of people will start giving up, and that altcoins will never happen, because when the Bitcoin is dropping, the people rush to fiat, which in this case is USDT or USD. They start selling their Bitcoin or altcoin positions for the Bitcoin and then to fiat. I think this is not going to happen this time, because you see, since September 2019, the Bitcoin dominance has been going down, but not that strongly. Like, it went down from 70 to 66. We want to see a Bitcoin dominance going down 30-40% in a single week, and that can lead to mega altcoin season. So the MACD is definitely looking very much the same like 2017, and it clearly shows that the whales have started collecting altcoins, which is evident because the likes of Litecoin, Ripple, all of them have nearly doubled in value, and in some cases tripled in value. So that is why I think, well, somebody is buying, somebody is accumulating and protecting those price levels. So it can be retail, or it can be the corporates or the companies, the hedge funds, and so on. So I'm expecting a very sharp fall in the Bitcoin dominance in the next week or so. So probably next week of 7th December or 14th December. Maybe it will coincide with the previous date. So the Bitcoin dominance flipped to the red on the MACD on after 18th December 2017. So we are like 2 to 3 weeks away from that very date. So fingers crossed. At this time, these are the support level for Bitcoin dominance, and I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to go down from nearly 63% to at least 50%. And after 50%, we have support at 45, 41, 39, and like last time, we may form a double bottom at 35%. So what can this lead to? Let's take a look at Litecoin. So first, I'm going to discuss the Litecoin BTC pair, because I think the BTC pairs are going to experience bigger gains compared to the USD pairs, because the USD pairs have already pumped a lot along with the Bitcoin, but the BTC pairs have been lagging behind. So I think they will play a catch-up game. So let me enable this indicator called Ichimoku Cloud real quick. So this gives us an idea where their next resistance is. It also gives us 2 moving averages to play with, this red line and blue line. So their Litecoin is forming a bottoming formation here, and we have been able to close above this blue line, which is at 0.004376 sats, and we have heavy resistance at 0.004629, and we have been able to stay above this line for now, which is awesome. After that, I see the next resistance at around 0.007. Let me mark it for you guys. So next resistance is right now at around 0.007. We may also face some resistance while entering this resistance cloud, which is right now at around 0.0056. So once we are able to cross these very two levels, the sky is clear for Litecoin. And after that, by the way, this is the weekly chart of Litecoin. On the daily chart, we have been able to break above this line, break above this cloud, which is awesome. So on the monthly charts often gives us strong resistance levels. So we have very strong resistance at 0.005. So once we are able to flip above there, this will start acting as support instead of resistance. And after that, we have very heavy resistance at 0.011. So I think this is where this would be my final target for Litecoin BTC pair, 0.011. And the MACD on the monthly clearly shows that the bears are running out of steam, and we are also at the bottom on the RSI, which is also an indicator that tells us where we are in the market, whether if the RSI is somewhere around here, around 64.75, it means that we are in the overbought territory. And if we are if we are below 30, below 40, we are in the oversold category. So we are right now in the oversold territory, just bouncing off it, and which is why Litecoin has made some huge gains. Imagine Litecoin at around 59-60% on the monthly chart, on the LTC BTC chart. That would be awesome. That would pump the price somewhere around 0.007 or 0.011. Okay, let's take a look at USD pair. This pair is more useful for those who want to immediately cash out. I'm not one of them, no offense, but I like to stake my sats. I like to increase my Bitcoin. You need to be a believer in Bitcoin if you are trading using the LTC BTC pair, but your mileage may vary. I mean, you have some other goals. So anyway, so in the previous video, I had marked this, that if we are able to flip this is what I draw back in September. If we are able to flip this as support, and we flipped it as support on the monthly, this is what happened. It started acting as support, and we will, in no time, we will reach $90. This is what I said. If you don't believe me, go back and check my previous video. You can check my LTC analysis, and I checked that in no time we will reach 60. After crossing $62, in no time we will reach $90, and this is what we did. So what is the next major resistance? So since this is a monthly chart, the next very strong resistance level is at $191. So this is the major resistance level. So I think the Litecoin will touch at least $181 very soon, maybe in a couple of 2 or 3 weeks, if the Bitcoin dominance continues to fall sharply. So okay, so this is the weekly chart, and we are clearly on the verge of forming double top on the RSI. This is not good, and excuse me, we are also testing the top of this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly, which is at $91. So we have very strong resistance at this very level, and there's a very heavy chance that we may come down and test the $71 level before breaking out from this cloud. That said, if we are able to break above this cloud, there is absolutely no resistance, and Litecoin will touch $191 very soon if we are able to close above $91. So keep that in mind. If you are able to close above $91 this week or so, and we do not get a massive rejection, there's not much difference between 90 and 191. Okay, so next let's talk about Ripple. Again, XRP BTC pair. So Ripple is looking pretty good. We are able to get out of this resistance cloud on the weekly, and we are out of this resistance zone. Very bullish chart, I would say, but on the RSI we are touching over bot levels again. You can see that once we touch our bot levels in the past as well, we touched those levels and we immediately came down, and we tested these support levels again. So there's a possibility that we may come down and test these 2800, 2900 sats before making move to the upside. And again, 6300 is my final target for the XRP. And let's take a look at monthly chart. On the monthly chart, again, we have very strong resistance at 6400, and after that we have some resistance at 9900, and then at 12,000 sats. So that's my final target. Also note, another thing to note is we have flipped to the green side on the MACD, which is very good news, I would say. Yeah, because this basically confirms that we are in a bull trend. Let's take a look at XRP USD. So on the XRP USD, you can see this is the monthly chart again. So on the XRP USD, and by the way, I'd drawn these levels in the previous videos, and we are going according to them. I mean, yeah, it's unreal sometimes. These are the levels to look out for. Again, have been able to close above the 56 cents level, and we just bounced off the support at the 56 cents, which acted as support this time. So next level to look out for is 79 cents, then $1.19, and then $1.75. So those are my targets for Ripple USD. Let's take a look at which one. I will also be making a video about Dogecoin or Doggy, whatever you want to call. Dash wants to. Oh, okay, so I don't talk about this coin much, but it lately caught my attention because of its pump. I bought some Dash for myself. Okay, so the next resistance level for Dash, let me switch to weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of Dash BTC, and 0.0066. This is the resistance level to look out for. Fortunately, this week we have been able to stay above the 0.005 sats level. Also, another thing to note is we have flipped to the green side on the weekly, so we are turning bullish on the Dash as well. And keep in mind, there are around only 9 million Dash coins in existence, so coins like these can pump really fast because they are up on the market cap, they have high trading volume, and they are available on all exchanges. So scarcity is the keyword here. So unlike other coins we have, which have billions, maybe, I don't know, trillions of coins, Dash is very scarce, so only 9 million in existence. So it can pump really fast. You can see that pumps very fast. So next resistance zone is at 0.1, and then at 0.0109. 0.0109. Okay, after that maybe 0.017, because we have touched that level as well in the past. If you zoom out, you can see that we are just getting started. We may be in this stage right now. So bumpy road ahead. Nothing goes up in a straight line, so we may go up and touch 0.01, come down to 0.06. Get prepared for such corrections, and then boom, we can then break out from this resistance zone around April or so, or maybe March, and touch 0.029. After that, we may come down again and test 0.011, and then again go to 0.08. That's unreal. Can you believe it? I mean, Dash was once more than 0.1 sats. It's unreal. Okay, so let's take a look at Dash USD pair, because this is very interesting. That is one of those coins which actually reached around $1,600 on an exchange. So on the Dash USD pair, again from Poloniex exchange, because they have the maximum history. So this is what I had drawn in the previous video. I think I have made a video about that, and this is what I said. You wouldn't believe me. I said after touching this, we may come down, and then we may touch the $120 level. And guess what happened? We came down and we touched around $81. We made a wick, and then we touched $120. Can you believe it? It's unreal. Again, Dash is also on the verge of breaking out. If we are able to close over $120 on the weekly, there's not much resistance. So time is running out. If you have not entered into altcoins, start averaging in. Don't buy all the coins in one go, and don't sell all the coins in one go. Make some rules and apply those rules. And I think time is running out, and maybe in a week or so, maybe tomorrow, the altcoin season will start, because once the whales start moving their bitcoins into altcoins, these coins are going to pump like crazy. So that's all about it. I'll be making more videos about other altcoins in the maybe tomorrow. So stay tuned and give this video a like. That's all I need from you guys. Stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, IC news, and price analysis. Bye bye.